Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today guys, we will be racing diecast cars. And as you guys, if you guys watched my last video, you know I have a new gaming channel. I can only upload 15-minute videos. So, on here, there might be some gaming videos on here sometimes, but that's how it's gonna be so far. So, I'm gonna close the store. Whoa, that's loud. First, we're gonna. Okay, so first we're gonna race this car, and this car. This one right here. Which one wins gets to advance to the finals. Which car wins gets to advance to the finals. The green car actually hit the wall, and the wall's the barrier which you're not supposed to go through. And the 240 is still going, and it drifted over here right in front of the barrier. So the 241 is to lose. But this time there's no barrier, and this car will be racing. This one. .240 wins. Okay. Actually, this car doesn't go on to the finals. So this car's on the final, and so I'm right here racing this car, the Lamborghini Urus, the custom one that I built. So the green car's moving on to the finals. The green car. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I can visit in my brother's body. Oh my gosh. The VW bus pickup won. And no, actually this one won. So, 1 second. I've set up these two cars. These are the last cars that will be racing. Those cars are going to the finals. Silver. And the gold car. The big wheels. And this basically declares which cars on which team. Like this team, that team. And actually, this team lost. So say bye. What happens to bad cars? And now these two, this Camaro and a car that's just made this thing. Green car won, and we're measuring it by distance. And so this car lost. So these are the winners. The finals will race the 240. What? 1 second, guys. I'll be back in a second. Wait, how much big of a box is it? Okay, I'm gonna use that.
Actually, we can put this one upstairs in my room. Okay? Put it in that storage.
Hey guys, this is my DLX mom.
Okay, so now that we're continuing it, that's it. Silver car won because the green one wiped out. That car is going to be racing. Bye. Okay, so now car. That one didn't no one won that round. Green car won. gold car completely lost. So now we're gonna race each one with this one. Oh, we're gonna race it up here this time. Looks like it's better if we. There's one car on this. Blue car won. Bye bye, red car. This one won. Okay. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.